I'm holding the sum of 3 plus 4 in my hand. What do you think it is? Did you count up? Did you use the double 3 plus 3? Use the double 4 plus 4? Brilliant. Hey, no matter what your strategy, did you get 7? 3 plus 4 is 7? Yes. Mathematicians, if you add it, or if you subtract it, or if you use doubles to find your math facts more quickly, you're counting. Today, I want to teach you that no matter what your strategy, counting up, counting back, the think addition, using doubles, or combinations of 10, all use counting so that we can know, understand, and explain our facts. When we can explain our facts with more than one strategy, we can be sure of the solution. So, thinking about the different ways that we worked with addition and subtraction yesterday to know it quickly, let's work today so that we can show that no matter which one we do, we're counting, and that if we use more than one way to solve, we can explain and we can even be sure of our solution. Okay, here are some different problems. These are my light bulbs because, hey, I'm thinking now. I've got all kinds of mathematician thinking and solutions and strategies. I can do a lot of mental math, and I can also use tools. If I'm given the fact 10 minus 4 equals, and I'm trying to find the difference, maybe I would think addition with combinations of 10. In other words, what number pairs with 4 that makes 10? 6, you're right. So if I want to solve that with addition combinations of 10, then I would think, hey, I know, 4 plus 6 is 10, so 10 minus 4 is 6. You got it. What about 11 minus 2 equals? What's the difference that's missing? One strategy we've used is to count back. So I could start at 11 and count back 2. 10, 9. The difference is 9. That was pretty quick. Maybe it's because we only had to count 2 back. Those facts with the lower numbers, they go quicker for me. How about this one? 12 minus 6 equals, what is the difference? Did you think right away we should use the addition with doubles? Yes, we know that 6 plus 6 equals 12, and so we know that 12 minus 6 is 6. Those three numbers that relate for a fact family. We can use them for addition or for subtraction. But either way, we'll use counting to help us know the facts. Okay, how about this one? 8 minus 6. Let's count up. Wait, what? 8 minus 6 and counting up. Oh, we're going to use counting up for subtraction? I know. We'll do 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. It's 2. So we will put 2 in right here. And we kind of did that in our thinking or mental strategies. We have so many strategies, and each time we use counting. And if we use more than one strategy, then we can make sure of our solution. And we can even use it to explain to others. Like if we even got different solutions and we had more than one way to solve, then we'd be even more sure of what the exact solution was. I'm looking right up here and I'm thinking of 11 minus 2 equals 9. Well, what if I said I'm sure of it because I know the combination of 2 plus 8 equals 10, so 2 plus 9 equals 11. Added 1 to this add-in, so I added 1 to the sum. Pretty convincing, right? What if I said, oh, I can count up, and I'll even show you on a number line that I did 9 hops up from 2 and I got to 11. Having many strategies, all that use counting, help me to solve, explain, and sometimes even defend my solution and say I'm sure it's right, and I know that because, in showing my different strategies. So mathematicians, let's take just a minute and see if you can think of how you would solve 13 minus 7 equals a number or a difference. Pause the video and see how many ways you can solve for 13 minus 7 equals a difference. Are you back? Here are my ways. I counted up on a number line. I drew 13 and crossed out 7 and had 5 left. I used my doubles, even though this isn't a double. I knew a nearby fact of 6 plus 6. And I thought about addition. I used think addition, and I changed the subtraction into an addition problem and found the missing add-in because addition's just a little easier for me and because I know fact families. Today, no matter what strategies you use, you're counting. And then you can use those strategies and counting to solve, explain, and even be sure of your solution. Off you go.